Guys, welcome back to my channel. And so I accidentally paused the other video. And yeah. So this is part 2 of Ugly Woman making eggs. I got my seasoning salt. And I can't find a bowl. So 1 second. My female with the bowl. Oh my god. I don't think you can see me. Just one highlights maybe. Oh god. That would not work. Oh. How should I go? Can you guys see me now? I don't think you guys can see anything. I'm reaching for the stars and you can't see it. Hello, it's me up there. The wind's blowing so hard it's literally like tipping my trampoline, guys. It's so weird. Whew. That was epic. Now I got a pretty dish for my ugly woman. I got a pretty dish for me. Oh! I'm down. I am down. Okay. I'm kind of excited to eat these eggs. Let me season them first. Okay. So I don't know how to set you while I season them. So I'm going to bring you guys over here. Hope you can see me. Okay. Let's move all stuff out of the way right now. Let me go put my cheese and eggs back in the fridge and I'll be right back. La 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 la. La 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 la. Won't you shut up already? No. She's so annoying. She's getting at me. Okay, so I think the eggs are kind of cool down. Let's put them on this plate. I'm not sure about these eggs. I'm hoping they taste decent. So here's my eggs. Here's my seasoning. Some of that. Some salt. Some pepper. A little bit because I hate pepper. Now I mix them all up. They're mine anyway. And no, that's not how I handle food. Cheese. I mean, country cheese is good. I don't know if everything else here will be good though. So let's dig right in. I'm kind of scared, but let's hope for the best. Dink it. What's the pepper? No, okay. Dink it. Sink it. Oh my god, this is delicious. Too much seasoning. Alright, that's what's inside. I'm using Rhett and Link references. Like, dink it and sink it. And you're right. Now. Why don't you sick of me? Nothing. What'd you say to me? Nothing. What'd you say to me? Nothing! My foodie. It's just good. I'm addicted to eggs. Oh. So I will be doing cooking videos now. Well, I'm just going to say this works. That's for Robin. But, well, I guess we can say this recipe does work. No. A bit too much cheese now. Fried cheese now. I'm gonna make fried cheese. So, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Salty. If you want a part 3 of me cooking videos, please punch that like button in the face. This is a Sniper Wolf reference. My favorite, I mean, YouTubers here. And I hope you come see me again. Bye! No, sorry. I love you all, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, wherever you are. Bye!